Hey there, welcome back to the channel again. Here's the part 2 of the previous video I uploaded on the channel. So if you haven't seen it, kindly go and watch it and you understand better what I'm doing here. So I already made a gather stitch around the waistline, which is my waist size plus 1 inches, which gives me 17 inches. So likewise I did the same to the other side of the skirts, and I've put in one of the side pockets for the skirt. So here is the left side of the skirt. I'm making already applied the right side pocket like I explained earlier. So I measured from the waistline downward 2.5 inches. Then from there I started with the pockets. I did likewise to the other side of the pocket. So after doing this, now what I will do is I'll sew it with 1/2 inch and then sew it like so to the end there, because the pocket is already unfold. So I'll then come down here and take 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch, then I'll sew it to meet with the other end there. So I'll come out with just 1/2 inch and sew it straight down with maintaining the 1/2 inch that I need. So I will just sew everything. So for the other side, I'm going to be putting a zipper and a pocket. So here I'll take the band I already pressed with stay. So this is it. As you can see, I already turned it in by 1/2 inch and press it while unfold. So this is the waistline. So I'll get my pin. I'll also be pinning it down across the waistline, so I will explain better to you how to achieve the zip side of the skirt. And guys, remember the zipper side, you can actually put it on any side of the skirt, depends on your preference. So after putting it down with the pin, remember you are going to be using 1/2 inch for the band to sew in the band. From that 1/2 inch, now you measure 2 inches downward. Remember I said we're going to be needing 2.5 inches before applying the pocket. So after putting the band, we are left with 2 inches. Then from the starting of the band, I'll place the zip like so. So I'm just trying to explain it. So wherever you are putting your pockets, make sure the zip is behind the pocket, not the front of the pocket. So the zip would be on one side while the pocket would be on the other side. So guys, that will be for the pocket. I'll be explaining further more about it shortly. So this is the bodies of the two-piece I'm making, which is the crop top. So here is the lining. I already pressed it, and now I'll go to my sewing machine. I'll stitch this down, both the neck and the other side of the crop top, and then I'll top stitch it. Then I'll come down again and stitch that area, then top stitch it. Then after doing that, I will run a zigzag stitch on the shoulder armhole area. Then I'll come back to show you. So this is it after running the stitch round it. Here is the top now. I already run a stitch. I joined everything together, both the sleeve and the back and front together with half an inch on every side. So now the sleeve opening, from the sleeve opening I'll run a straight stitch down, and make sure when you're running it down, you make sure you do it in accordance with your size and the allowance you added the other time. So now I'll do likewise to this other side. From the sleeve opening, I'll stitch it straight down to the waistline. So after doing that, I will now put a zipper at the back of my top. So you already see how neat this is because I top stitched it already. So that will be all for this top. So back to the skirt now. Remember I said I will be explaining further about this the other time. So here is it. So this is the left side of the skirt. I already stitched the pocket into it and the band like I said earlier. So this is it. From that end I use half an inch for the band, and from the band to the side to where the pocket starts is 2 inches. So I ran like half an inch round it to the end of the skirt, as you can see. So how neat and how it looks. So this is this zipper side. I said I'm going to be explaining and show you how I made it. So I already run this now, which is one side of the zip on the back right side of the skirt. Remember I said wherever you are putting the pocket, whichever side you want to put it, it will be behind. So, and the pocket will be in the front. So now after putting it, from the band I stitched the other side of the zip down to the end of, to the starting point of where the pocket starts. So I handed the zip, the other side of the zip there. Then after doing that, after I might have stitched my pockets down to the other side, so I will take this other part of the pocket now, and then I will stitch the zip, as you can see. So the other side is still unsewn, which is the other side of the pocket. So I will then start the stitching from that point on the other side of the zip, and then I'll stitch it until it ends. So as you can see me doing, I hope you all understand what I'm doing in this video. It will be right side facing right side, just like you have sewing it on the other side, on the other part of your skirt. So likewise you will do that on this zipper area. So now I'm just trying to pin this down so you can get a better understanding of what I'm doing in this video. So I'll pin it down now, and then after pinning it down, I'll flip it to the other side, which is the right side, so you can see how or what I mean when I said is going to be at the back of the pocket, and the pocket will be on its own. As you can see, I've not even sewn it down. I only pin it so you can get a better understanding. If you can see clearly what I am doing here, I will zip it now so you can see how it is. So that's the pocket there on its own, on the front of the skirt, on the front of the right side of the skirt. So this is it. Then I'll go to the sewing machine. I'll stitch this area with half an inch, and then I'll also do likewise the way I did for the other side. So I'll go now and come back and show you. So here is it. I'm done with the skirt. So far, this is the end result of the skirt. This is the back side of the skirt. You can see how neat that looks. So I'll flip it to the other side now. So this is it. You can see how the zip is and the pocket is different from the other side of the pocket, while the zip is behind the pocket. So you can see how neat it looks. So guys, that is it. I'll flip the pocket out now so you can see how it looks. Even when you bring out your pocket, it won't affect the zip in any way. You can still zip it or open it as you like. So this is the pocket. You can see how small the pocket looks. Anyway, so here is the zip. So I hope you all can see how this is now and understand better what I've done so far. So guys, that will be for the zip and for this tutorial. Thanks guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. Turn your notification bell on. Help me to like, comment where you're watching this video from, and don't forget we are having online classes for beginners and also for upgrades. If you're interested, kindly send me a message via my email address. Yes, so I'm training on trousers. At the moment, I'm training on different type of pants like boot cuts, name it, office pants, and again corsets, drafting, caging, how to make your lapel jackets, and so many others. Guys, if you're interested, just hit me up and I'll be so glad to respond to you. It will be a great pleasure for me teaching you to perfection on this business you're in. So until I see you again in the next one, stay tuned to the channel. Bye.